on your life, and you're trying to fudge and trying to blow smoke in my face. That's what you're doing. Oh, I've just told you things that are incorrect from what you said. They're blatant falsehoods, and nobody knows more about your life than you. Years to appear. Revoke unadjudicated probation. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, ma'am, this motion to revoke probation filed on August 31st of this year, last year, 2023, alleges that on July 10th of last year, that you were placed on 10 years deferred or unadjudicated probation for the first-degree felony of arson of a habitation. Is all of that true?
Yeah, and something about Charlotte.
What?
Charlotte heard she said.
What'd she say?
What? All of this true, yes. And the court.
What'd she just say?
What you heard? I'm not.
Look,
Your Honor.
look, you're gonna go back until, I don't understand what you're not sensible.
What?
You can go back. We'll deal with you here in a little while, okay? Thank you.
No.
Let's go to Jerry McGee next. You have to act civilized in this courtroom, man. That's bizarre. Another bizarre situation here to bring in the new year. Pedro Garza.
Your Honor, the judge.
We now call 20-34582, the state of Texas versus Pedro Garza Jr. That's you, sir. There is a first amended motion to revoke unadjudicated probation here. What are we going to do today?
He's ready to end his plea on that.
Unagreed?
Yes, sir.
All right. Does the defendant waive a formal reading of this? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
And raise your right hand, sir. Do you solemnly swear or affirm any statements you make today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God? Lower your hand. In summary, this first amended motion to revoke unadjudicated probation, in this case filed on September 25th of 2023, in summary states that on November 1st, 2021, you were placed on 10 years deferred or unadjudicated probation for aggravated assault in this case. Is that true?
Yes, sir.
Allegation. Stand by. We haven't had a hearing on any of this before. No.
We did, Judge.
We did. We pleaded true to allegations 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, Your Honor.
Back on February 27th, 2023. And what happened on that?
Your Honor, what you did on that date is you granted our motion, but you continued the matter and held them in abeyance. You set it up for review for every 90 days at that stage.
Okay. So let's go to allegation under First Amended number 5. This states that you failed to report to the Jefferson County Probation Office for the months of July and August of 2023 in violation of your probation order. Is that true or untrue?
That is true, sir.
6, you failed to report to the criminal district court, this court, as required on or about July 27th, 2023. Is that true or untrue?
Specifically, that would have been the review hearing, Judge. Was scheduled for that day. July 27th.
I wasn't told about that.
Number 7, you provided a urine sample on or about May 15th, 2023, which showed the presence of methamphetamine and amphetamine in your system. Is that true?
That is true, sir.
And
I was.
8, hold on, you'll get a chance to. 8, you provided a urine sample on or about July 27th, 2023, which showed the metabolic byproducts of methamphetamine in your system on that date, which is in violation of your probation order. Is that true?
That is true, sir.
Are you pleading true to allegations 5, 7, and 8 as alleged in this first amended motion to revoke probation that we have reviewed with you that you pleaded true to? Or are you pleading true voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because those allegations are indeed true?
I am, sir.
Do you understand by a knowing and voluntary plea of true? to an allegation of probation. That is enough to grant this motion to revoke probation by preponderance of the evidence or greater. Your probation can be revoked and you can be found guilty and sentenced up to the full range of punishment. In this case, aggravated assault is a second-degree felony. So you're looking at no less than 2 nor more than 20 years confinement in prison, and a fine up to $10,000 can be assessed. Knowing that, do you insist on pleading true today?
I do, sir.
I find you pleading true voluntarily. You understand and appreciate the consequences of pleading true. Now, I'm going to make a change here. You were not fined any money on the original finding of placing you on probation. However, restitution was ordered in the amount of $13,256.10. And where are we on that? Never? Nothing's been paid on that?
Nothing's been paid since
No, how much has been paid toward,
1650. $1,650
has been paid toward restitution?
towards restitution.
Oh, okay. I see where we are. Go ahead. There's no agreement. Go ahead, Mr. Adams.
All right. The first amendment motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation, you see that that's filed on September the 25th, 2023, that's at the top, all right? And I think Mr. Helms has mentioned that you were in court, I believe, in July, Mr. Helms said. No, it was February.
It was July.
It was July. Well, you're supposed to show up in court for July. And then prior to July, I believe the testimony was when JudgeStevens had a review. And that would have been in what, February, right? I believe it's February. All right.
I'm not here to answer your question, sir.
So
You want me to put him on there?
no. So